This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by signing into YouTube Studio and opening the video you want to edit. This is where you control descriptions. Copy the destination link you plan to use, include the protocol so YouTube will auto-link it. Once done, decide whether to place links at the very top of the description or in a pinned comment for immediate visibility. Make sure you have any affiliate or UTM parameters ready, because adding them later changes the final URL. Now edit the description field directly. Paste your full URL, S, on separate lines near the top so viewers see them immediately. Add short descriptive labels before each link, for example, watch next, or get details here to clarify intent. If you want a link to a specific moment, add timestamps such as 0, 45, or 3, 12. YouTube converts those into clickable jump points. Once done, scan for line breaks and spacing, because those affect how the links display on mobile versus desktop. Finish by saving your description and immediately testing on the public video page. Check links on both mobile and desktop. Pin a comment with the single most important link and mention timestamps to catch viewers who scroll comments first. If a link isn't clickable, verify you included the protocol, https, // or swap in the YouTube share link format. URL shorteners or malformed query strings can break auto-linking. If problems persist, remove parameters and test the base link to isolate the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.